In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete a Facebook page permanently, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by clicking on Menu at the bottom right corner, and then clicking on Settings and Privacy. Now, you're going to go to the search bar and just type in Delete. Now, you're going to click on Personal Details. Then, from here, you're going to click on Account Ownership and Control, and then Deactivation or Deletion. You're going to click on the Facebook page that you want to delete, and you're going to choose between deactivating or deleting. For example, if I want to delete it, I'm going to click that and continue. And before you delete, you do have to click a reason as to why you're deleting it. So for example, I no longer find it useful. And then you are going to actually see these results. And before you click continue, just look at them. But that's really all there is to it. It's a straightforward process. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.